Hello and welcome back to our new video. And in this video I'll show you how to add multiple stops to an Uber ride. And basically you can add up to two extra stops for total of 3 locations to your Uber trip. And it is best to do this before you request the ride so your driver knows the full route ahead of time. And to add stops before requesting, just go and open your Uber app and then tap the where to box and then tap plus symbol next to the destination and then tap the plus symbol next to the destination box and enter the address of your first stop, and then tap the next box to enter your final destination. And to add another, tap the plus sign again and tap done. And to add a stop during ride, you need to swipe up from the bottom of your app screen and then tap add or change next to destination and then tap on the plus to add a new stop, and the app will automatically update the price and the driver's GPS. And that is how you add multiple stops to the Uber ride. I hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions or queries, just let me know in the comment section. Thank you for watching.